Mandated. The term mandated refers to something that is required or ordered by authority. It implies that there is a formal obligation or instruction in place that must be followed. In other words, when something is mandated, it is not optional, but rather a necessary and obligatory action. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of mandated. 1. COVID-19 vaccination mandate. Many countries have mandated COVID-19 vaccinations for certain groups of people, such as healthcare workers or students attending in-person classes. This means that these individuals are obligated to receive the vaccine as per the government or organizational regulations. 2. Seatbelt mandate. In most countries, wearing seatbelts while driving is mandated by law. It is not a personal choice but a legal requirement to ensure safety on the roads. 3. Mandated reporting. Certain professionals, such as teachers, doctors, and social workers, are mandated to report any suspected cases of child abuse or neglect. This means that they have a legal obligation to inform the appropriate authorities if they have reasonable grounds to believe a child is at risk. 4. Mandated breaks. Labor laws in many countries mandate that employees are entitled to specific breaks during their workday. For example, a 1-hour lunch break may be mandated for employees working a full 8-hour shift. 5. Mandated curriculum. Educational institutions often have mandated curriculum guidelines that outline the topics and skills that must be taught in a particular course or grade level. Teachers are required to follow these guidelines when designing their lesson plans. In all these examples, the term mandated indicates that there is an authoritative instruction or requirement in place that must be adhered to. It signifies a compulsory action rather than a choice.